All right. Yeah, so still a checking up because all right, it's still good. It's still good. All right, let's go into it. The most important thing, grab yourself a pen and a piece of paper. All right. And we're gonna do this together. I'll show you what's going on. Plain flour. Here's him. Plain flour. I'm gonna use 1 cups. All right. Let's put a little bit more because I'm not making too much. All right. Just a little bit of fried dumpling. Cause I'm gonna eat them thing too much. You understand? Very weird. All right. But you know my audience, I can't let down my audience them because when them ask for things, they want me to give them it. Yeah, a good vibes. All right. Bless up yourself, Sharon. Miss P, Happy New Year. Nice to see you. We're gonna get a teaspoon. All right. We're not use too much cornmeal. Just a teaspoon of fine cornmeal inside of it. All right. Not too much neither. Esther Delicious, grab yourself a pen and a piece of paper because you're from Jamaica. You're supposed to know to write these things. Yeah. All right. Nice one. So we got self-rising. Yeah, man. Forget about self-rising flour, guys. We got plain flour and cornmeal right there. So good vibes right there. All right. Now we're going to get some sea salt. We're going to put a pinch of sea salt. All right. Not too much. You know what I mean? You can use your favorite salt or you like to lose. All right. Then we're going to get some baking soda, baking powder. All right. All right. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. All right. Not baking soda now, baking powder. A lot of people get it twisted. Now, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people say that they're very hard to find Jamaican make the whole time. We're gonna use half teaspoon of sugar. Remember, if you have high sugar level, you can't make this, guys. All right. And then what we're gonna do, we're going to sieve it, and we want it to get it light and take out all of the air out of the dough. So we're going to sieve it like this. All right. So when you sieve it, you know what I mean? That's it right there. You don't have to stress it too much. All right. That looking good so far. All right. Now, as I say, you know what I mean? If you want to treat yourself, you can treat yourself and do some of this sometime, but it's not a regular thing, these things, guys. We're going to use some 100% natural butter. We're going to use roughly about half a teaspoon, all right? Not too much, all right? So you can use a favorite, room temperature, and then what you want to do, put that inside of it like that. Here's my year recipe, listen up. Now you have to make this for the missus. Break up the dumpling, the butter into the flour, like this, and use your fingers, and mix it up like this, guys, all right? Good vibes. So, as you guys can see, because a lot of people asked me, even in the comments yesterday when I did that requested video, a lot of people, oh, Chef Ricardo, please do the fried dumpling. And someone messaged me and said, oh my God, Chef Ricardo, please do the fried dumpling. They even send all money, come give me to buy a flour. I said, all right, I'm going to do this. All right. You can use almond milk, regular milk, and also whatever you like, cold water from your fridge, but I'm using some coconut milk. Little bit inside of it. All right, guys. You just take your time and fold it like that, little by little. All right. Don't stress yourself and fret and oh my God, don't worry yourself. All right. Yeah. So you just take a little time and just, working your finger into it like that. Yeah. A good vibes, guys. Sometimes you have to do this little thing for some of your audience. I don't mean really too much in the kind of eating here, but most people know where Chef Ricardo is coming from and know, say, boy, I was one of the best when it comes to certain kind of cooking. And, so you just want to take your time because I'm not doing a lot, I'm just doing a little bit to show my audience. So if you want to go higher, you just put more flour, more baking soda, baking powder, a little bit more, you know what I mean, into it. You just take your time. Sometimes you might feel for something different. It's not every time you want to eat vegetable, and eat rice and pasta and all them things. Sometimes you want to treat yourself with something, and you don't have an option. Just now, saltfish fritters. Somebody request that one. I get the saltfish, and I will do that one soon. All right, but it's a different way. All right. So as you can see, that's the dough. So what you want to do, you just want to take your time and get everything out of it like that. Look at that. All right. Then so easy. I'm using the coconut milk, guys. Remember, you can get coconut milk to buy in your supermarket if you don't want to use regular milk. I mean, so you just take a little time and you do it like this. All right, beautiful people. So as you can see, just need it in. Don't be shy, cause don't be shy. Just do it this at home, and let's remove this. Cause I know you guys can do it, man. Look, all right. So you just need it in, man, like this. All right. Normally, when we used to make these things, we used to make them from the day before. You know what I mean? Put them in your fridge and allow them make them stay there, Craig, can you do this at home, Craig? I know he's a man to eat healthy. Right. So you just wanna, you know? Yeah. All right. So you see how that look? Yeah. Look at that. Simple, guys. All right. Very, very simple. Now, normally you can use cling film, but I don't like the scent of the cling film. So I just put a piece of a napkin over the dough. Make it stay to go and rise in the meantime. A good vibes. So you can see. So I wash off my fingers and keep everything clean and nice. All right. So, a good vibes, that guys. What do you think about this one? Leave your comments. So yeah, here it is. 100% coconut milk. You can get this in the supermarket you buy. Not the one where you use to put in the porridge. This one is different. This is like coconut milk. You can use it in fruits, bits and pieces. Something different. I didn't use a whole cup neither. You can also drink it. All right. So let's come over here. All right. We're going to go into the pot. All right. And see. All right, what's going on right there in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Big things are going on right now, guys. Look at that. Yeah. So we got some oil in the pot here. This is my avocado oil, right? You don't have to use so many oils, but Jamaica normally do this. I don't know. You see, our grandparents leave so many things with us where you have to know what you're doing, you know? So good vibes. Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna do now is get the oil hot, and once the oil is hot, then we are good to go to fry the dumpling. So yeah, if you never make Jamaican fried dumpling before and it is the first time you're going to make it, it is simple and it doesn't complicate it. And you can have some nice fried dumpling with ackee and saltfish. Um, Anything you like to go with it is up to you. You got an option. All right, fried plantain, lots of stuff you can do, guys. Honestly, it's amazing to know what you can do with fried dumpling at home. All right. So as a Jamaican, we grew up on these things. All right. Our grandparents leave this whole heap of legacy food on us. Yeah, it's good. Really, really good. All right. So now just to have a look. So when you go so with your finger, you can see. I mean, it's yeah, a good look. Make it go and rest. All right. Yeah. So what are the guys doing today at the Saturday? I know lots of people might have bake and a cook and a clean all the house. You know what I mean? Lots of stuff going on. Some people up on the bus, some people up on the train, some people in a bed. You know what I mean? Tell me exactly what you're doing right now. All right? Right now, I stand up in our kitchen, live and direct. Okay? Yeah. So if you lay down in your bed, let me know. You know? If you're watching TV, let me know. All right. Jen is in the building. Big up yourself. 100%. Natella NTV. Big up yourself. Not if I'm calling the right name. So if you lay down in a bed, big up yourself. Right now, I cook some chicken foot soup. Oh my God. Craig, I do some shopping. Yes. I'm at work. Listen to you. Big up yourself, Rebecca. I 100%. A good vibes. A Saturday vibes. Well, now, fresh record, fresh. No, you see the chicken foot soup. Oh my God. Now, I'm telling you, I used to drink them back in the days, man. I used to drink them back in the days. Let me tell you something. Most people now cook like that no more, man. I am up. But with my kids, them, okay, ever blessed. That's one of the best thing you can do is spend time with the kids, them, man. I know they grow fast. So you have to make sure to take care of the kids, them. And, you know what I mean? Yeah, I the best thing that, man. So listen now. Big up all of the mothers, them, who spending time with the kids, them. You know what I mean? Are good vibes. Big up on them every time. All right? And I show love to the kids, them, make the kids, them happy. And, hopefully the kids, them don't disrespect them parents. I'm in my kitchen taking some note. All right. I am drinking coffee. You can't sleep tonight then. I'm washing some fresh. Okay. You're not gonna sleep tonight. You can't drink coffee certain time. Keep you up all night. You have to go eat a whole of banana. Now we have a recipe we want to share with you guys to reduce the risk of cancer. Look out forward for that video. All right. That video is a powerful video. All right. Yeah. So it's getting hot, as you can see. So what you want to do, just break off a piece of the dough and put in it. Oh, oh, it's 12. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Now, I got a recipe coming out, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. It's one of the world second powerfulest recipe. I may make that drink tonight. I can have gluten chicken. milk and more. Okay. I'm home washing. Big up yourself. Dean Sterling, big up yourself. A good vibes. I am on a night shift, relaxing, watching you. Big up yourself. Sam, a whole heap of love. Yeah, man. A good vibes. Big up all the people who work 9 to 5, work night shift, you know what I mean, and try to make them life better for the future. Just hold on, cause you know what I mean, better always come. I'm driving, a good vibes. Big up all of the drivers them who drive, you know what I mean, keep focused on the road and make some money for the family and to make the family happy at home. A good vibes. All right, so guys, we have to look after ourselves. I cannot. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So big up every one of you guys. Big up all the lady where I make some chicken foot soup in idea. Yeah? Good vibes. No one now make the red pea soup. A red soup powerful enough. All right. Let me go now a little bit of tips down on the walk on and stuff on there. All right. So the oil I get hot as you can see. So come right here, sir. Remove the clean flame. All right. And as you can see, look at that. No, just break off a little piece like this. You don't want if you want them big, go a little bit bigger. If you want them small, go a little bit smaller. All right. So I'm gonna use my little cutting board right here. Put it down on it, and you just roll it around in your hand like this. All right, just like this. Okay. So once you do this, it's gonna be like a ball. Come over, and then you're gonna put it. So look, put it straight into the oil. All right, good one. Turn on the stove a little bit. You don't want the stove too high. All right. So we're gonna keep doing it like this. You can see, yeah. Sometimes, yeah, the first couple of them always be a problem, but don't worry, we get that sort out. Where's my, yeah, no. So sometimes the first couple of them are problem, you know. But as I said, I won't making too much. It's just a few. As you can see, all right. Just move them around in the pot and shift them around. That's mean they don't burn and all them things there, you know. As you can see, guys, look at that. So that looking good. Them all looking nice. Spin them around. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I don't make them too big. I just make them small. You want them big? Yeah. Oh, you hear it? Oh, that Nicole, all the way in Jamaica. Big up yourself. Holy for love. I don't know if you guys see the festival I make yesterday. Check out the festival video. Very, very good one, guys. All right. Yeah. Very good video. As you can see, you know what I mean? Just spin them around. Don't make them too, you know? Yeah. And as I say, I didn't make too much, just a little bit. Yeah. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. All right. Look at that. Excellent. So it's gonna be the last one because you know what I mean. We're not do too much. All right. as you can see, that looking excellent. All right. Now, spin them around. Don't make them too, you know what I mean, together too much. Yeah. Now, if you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments. All right. I think the video not go on good at all. That's all good. I know what's the problem. All right. Oh, you're watching the porridge premium. Okay. Is it? I got, right. I didn't remember that I have porridge out. Is it? All right. So them they are fry nice. Yeah, a good vibes. Good evening, Chef Ricardo, on the live chat. I never cooked fried dumpling before with coconut milk. Eh, I'm paying close attention. Yeah, man. Play, yeah. You're never too old to learn. You're never too old to learn. You know what I mean? Remember, you know, um, I'm going to the kitchen, I'll season my chicken, make some curry chicken for tomorrow. A good vibes. All right. Living in Canada, a good vibes. All the Canada life over there, it must cool. I am watching on the Food News TV. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I did it earlier. All right. So, a good vibes. See how that look nice? Yeah, man. So that's the color you need. All right. Yeah. As I say, I wasn't gonna make too much, guys. It's just a few, you know. But I have to show now what I go on because it's a requested video from my audience, and I love to do stuff for my audience. If you guys request something, yeah, get in the kitchen. I can't wait to get some my dumpling tonight. Yes, great recipe. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. And a normal recipe, you know. Cause yeah, you see, beautiful, simple and nice, and effective. All right. Yeah. Now, as I say, you can make some small and some big, but I want to show you guys what you guys can do at home. You know. Yeah. And if you don't want a recipe, just request it because I have recipe guys where you know what I mean. And that's because I'm putting them in the book. There's a book coming out next year, a recipe book. Remember to get the copy of the new book. All right. Get a copy of the book, guys. Because the new book is a good book. Yeah. I'm just wondering if other tastes is the same. Which one of them now? I use milk, but I never use coconut. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's you know what I mean? It's nice. Just don't use the coconut milk. Coconut milk, and there's two different types. Uh, there's two different types. You got one that you can use mixed for smoothie, but the actual coconut milk where you put in the rice and peas, I don't use that one. Cause that one, pay attention. Cause I don't want him to burn it. I just want him to have the goldish color. Yeah. I get on a little bit color. So it's two different types. All right. Yeah, man. The only reason why I use a coconut milk, guys, because I have coconut milk and you know what I mean, I have to use it up, innit? You can use water, you don't have to use coconut milk. Cold ice water from your fridge. All right. Yeah, so a good one. Nice color, innit? All right. See? Watching from Canada, very big up yourself. Wally love over there. Big up the Canada people, them. All who are cook and at work, I will for vibes. Sorry, I can't cook and bring some food can go on, but next time. Don't worry yourself. 2026. Turn off the cooker. Alright. Cooker is off. Now let's come right here. You know what I mean? Gonna come right here. As I say, I didn't make too much. So you can see it for yourself. Right? What do you think, guys? Let me know what you guys think because, you know, this is how we do it in the kitchen. Now, you're gonna have to do this, Chef Ricardo. Come on. Look at that. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. You have to do this one. Tear it apart and make your audience see it. See? Look at that. Soft and nice. Let's taste it, guys. Mm. They call them Johnny cake. Everything is perfect. Janet, this is for you. I'll give you one of them. Take this one. This is for you. All right. Hurry up and come for it. Very soft and nice. Look at that. Simple recipe, guys. Very, very simple. All right. This can have with ackee and saltfish. Thank you. Ackee and saltfish, callaloo, stew chicken, curry chicken. All right. Anything you like to have it with. Look. You know what I mean? See? Look. Nice, isn't it? Simple, guys. You know? See? Very, very simple. Oh. You understand? Yeah, man. So this one is a very good look. Nigeria, big up yourself every time.